Welcome to the first spinner tattoo power supply video. This video is just to run you through the menu options and the functions of the spinner. Simple to operate. Take it out of the box, plug it in, turn it on, you'll see this little light here. Hold your finger over that and it starts up. This is your main menu. If you just want to start tattooing straight away, don't want to know about all the rest of the functions, it's quite simple. Just press the M button. That brings you up with a default screen. It's set to advanced and you'll get your voltage, amps, hertz and duty cycles. I've actually set this one to manual, so you'll see a little go sign down here. That's manual foot switch. I'll show you the menu functions individually in just a second. So from this screen, to get to your main menu, press M. Actually, before we go there, I'll just show you. Change the voltage, really simple. Up and down. You can do it by increments of 1. The hertz and the amps and the duty cycle, you'll only see, they'll populate when you've actually got a machine plugged in and going. There you go. This is on manual foot switch. You have 3 foot switch options and I'll show you those just a second. So to get back to the main menu, you presets, I'll just take you there quickly. The P screen is available in most of the screens and it will take you straight to your presets. Now, this one I've been playing with. You've got 9 preset slots available. You can name them whatever you want, up to 9 characters. When your power supply comes out, it will say liner, shader and packer. Machine 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. Now I've been playing with these and you'll see that some of them are named a bit differently. I'll take you through setting that up on a separate video. To actually get into the, to change a preset, I'll just show you quickly. You press a button and hold. Okay, so that takes you into the screen which will allow you to set your preset up. If you want to just use that particular preset, just press it quickly and it's ready to go. One of the features that we're pretty pleased with this machine is the fact that you are able to use cycles per second as your measurement. So when you're on cycles per second and you're on advanced, you'll have the amps and the voltage. Now cycles is only relevant to rotary machines, and to set cycles per second up, you actually need to calibrate your machine, and I'll show you that on a separate video. But to get back to the main menu, presets, display. You've got a choice with your display. You can have, if you're just using the default display and you haven't got any presets set up, you can have basic or advanced. Basic, you just get the one big number. Okay. Advanced, you get all of the details. Okay, timer. To start the timer, hit timer, press start. Pretty simple. You've got an option with the timer where you can press pause if you're taking a break, or you can stop it, and there is also a chime. The chime will work at, it will give you 1 beep at the half hour and 2 beeps on the hour. You can turn that off or on. Really simple, just push the button and it's on. So you can see that's running. Up there it says it's running. Okay. Now, if you're on manual foot switch, you will see that the timer is up the top. If you're using a standard foot switch in the maintain or the continuous settings, then you'll see the timer down the bottom. So, foot switch settings. So we've covered those, presets, display, and your timer. Foot switch, you've got 3 options. You've got manual, which you've just seen. This light is highlighted and it says go or stop down the bottom. Maintain, you put your foot on the foot switch and you hold the foot switch down for your machine to run. Take your foot off the foot switch and your machine stops. On continuous, you've got you just hit the foot switch once, the machine will run, hit the foot switch again and the machine will stop. Alright, so that's back on manual. With the sound, you've got 3 levels of sound. You've got loud, which it's on now, off, so the sound will you'll only hear the sound when you're pressing the buttons. Okay, soft is the other option, or loud, which is what it is by default. Language options, You've got 3, German, Spanish and English. To select one of those, again, just push one of the buttons. To go back to the menu, press M. Okay, this is the last of the main menu options. You've got Startup. Again, you've got 3 options. You've got Main Menu, which gives you all of these options. Presets, which takes you into your preset screen, which I showed you before. Or Last Setting. Last Setting, it will come up on a working screen ready to go, whatever you were on the last one. Factory Restore, if you want to clean out all of the presets menu and start from fresh, you would use Factory Restore. Advanced Settings, this actually is for button sensitivity. When you take the spinner out of the box, it will be set to high sensitivity as a default setting. That way 99.9% of humans on the planet can get all of the buttons to work. If you find that it's a little too sensitive, just come down into the advanced settings, come into buttons and just set it to default. I use it on default personally, but others need it on the high sensitivity. To get back to your main menu, just press the M. To start tattooing, just press the M. One quick thing, if you're in your presets and for example you want to change that value, just scroll up and you want to leave it at 90 cycles, so the next time I turn on my liner, or in this case it says spinner, I change it to 90 cycles, I press the P and hold it, and it will actually save that value so that the next time I come back in here it's on 90 cycles ready to go. So as you can see, it's quite simple to operate. If you've got any questions, feel free to send us an email or visit the website. Thanks for watching.